Hi everyone, it's Nandi. Welcome back to the channel. Today I broke my fast, so I'm just bringing you up to speed with how that went. So if you remember, I started out this journey actually several weeks ago. I wanted to do an extended fast, and then I prematurely broke that fast. I think I went just a few days. Some things kept coming up, and I find that when I am not at ease, when I have a lot of things going on around me, I find that I don't fast very well. So I kept putting it off. And the thing with me, I'm very ritualistic. So I don't like to just start fasting in the middle of nowhere. I like for it to be, a special occasion, or maybe let's say the first of the month, or a Monday morning, or my birthday, something like that. So I kept putting it off. If you notice the date on the last video, that was several weeks ago. But I actually started this fast on, when was it? March 17th. So today is Monday, March 29. So today's day 13. I broke my fast early this morning with a very ripe, mellow, juicy mango. If you know anything about me, you know that mango is my absolute favorite fruit. So it was there waiting and I broke it. So this is my journal. This is one of my journals that I write. I keep track of especially my fasting, things that I notice about my body. I've always had journals, so this is my most recent one. So I'm going to show you. So these are the notes I made. So when I started, I was at 174 pounds, right? On March 17, 174 pounds. So the first day was I did water fast, and then for 3 days dry fast, so nothing at all. And then I went 4 days on water, 3 days dry fast again, and 2 more days on water. So, and of course I kept track of any little things that I noticed, and my current weight. So today I weighed and I'm at 158.5, so that's roughly 16 pounds lost within the almost 2 weeks, which is typical of my fast over the years, because I fast maybe 2 or 3 times per year, not always an extended fast, but at least once a year an extended fast. And typically the first week I lose anywhere from 10 to 13 pounds, second week 8 or so pounds. So this is in keeping with the norm. So I've lost 16 pounds. Yeah, so that's where we are now. I broke my fast this morning. I want to set up a regime, an intermittent fasting regime, gradually working into it. My ultimate would be 21 hours of no food, 3 hours of food. So I'm thinking eventually between 5 p.m. and 8. That's the most convenient time for me, between 5 and 8. It's not the most ideal, right? I would prefer, for example, to go like from 12 to 3, but based on how my schedule is and preparing meals for my kids and everybody coordinating, getting everything together, I think 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. is ideal. So generally now I make 4 fruit juices every day. So I always try to keep that up. My lemon water, lime water in the mornings, through my neem leaves, and I've been doing my laps. So right throughout the fast, all my fasts, including this one. I do my laps in the mornings. It usually takes me about 45 minutes to an hour. So I go around. It's a big field. You can check out my other video where I show you the field and actually make a lap around so you get an idea of what's this. So I go around that field 10 times and I've been doing that. My energy has been pretty much up, just a little bit, you know, because I'm not taking in any food, so I'm not going to be as vigorous with the things that I do, but I do everything that I normally do when I'm fasting. Right now, I'm a teacher, so we've been doing online classes. We're still in the middle of the pandemic. Schools are basically online. We have been online for little over a year. So that has helped because, you know, I'm at home, I'm sitting most of the time, that kind of thing. So that definitely has helped in terms of keeping my energy, you know, conserving my energy. Right, so that's it. I don't know if I'm going to go on an extended fast for now. I want to just focus on intermittent fasting. I think that is a better package. You know, the thing I noticed though, I was expecting to see a lot of sediment in my urine. I didn't see any sediment, so based on Dr. Robert Morse's philosophy, that would mean the kidneys are not filtered. So I really wanted to see lots of sediment. So, but the urine was clear for the days that I had water, and it was, you know, slightly darker during the dry fast. But I was really looking forward to seeing the sediments. Didn't see it. In terms of passing stool, I only did so once, and that was after 7 days. When I started back the water, within a short time, I passed some stool, and some of it was actually watery. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the 13-day water fast, water/dry fast. If you notice, my voice too sounds a little dry, so it's been that way, especially during the dry periods of the fast, but I'm expecting to go back to normal as the days go by. Right, so thanks for tuning in. I'm wrapping up the fast. If you have not yet subscribed to Vibrant Authentic Living, please do so now. If you want to support the channel, just check the link in the description, the Patreon link. Go to Patreon and support us. Click like, click share, and I'll see you in the other videos.